All right. In the end of the video, you will be making something like this in Photoshop. Okay. It's pretty basic, easy, and quick. I'll teach you how to do that. Now, just follow me. All right. Just open up Photoshop. Just open up Photoshop and open up your browser and search for Unsplash and just download an image real quick from here. No big deal. I have downloaded this one. Wait, I have downloaded this one. I'll select this. I have opened up this one. Just press Control Z 0 to scale it. Sorry if there is any background noise and noises from outside, I can't help it. So just download this image whichever you feel like. I've downloaded that. I'm not getting it in Unsplash. I've downloaded long back. Okay, real quick, just download an image. Now you'll use the quick selection tool to select it and copy the layer itself. Just select your quick selection tool by pressing W, or just select it right here. I'll just increase this size of it. Just hold Alt and scroll button to zoom in. I'll select this guy right here. Okay, I'll unlock the layer by pressing the padlock icon. I'll rename it. I'll rename it a background. Yep. Yeah, this is good to go. I have selected him. It's pretty easy to select image using the quick selection tool. Photoshop has made it that easier. Yeah, just go select it. It need not be a perfect selection. Yeah, this is good. It's okay. Yeah, head is the main part of this. Let me reduce the size. Yeah, his cheek, his ears are not selected. Yeah, this is good. His sweatshirt. Yep. Just select it the way I'm showing it to you, and now we'll start adding up text. Hold Alt to remove some parts of the selection like this right here, or leave Alt so that the plus icon appears. I'll hold Alt and cancel the selection here. The shoe is not selected properly. Wait, or even you can hover above here, right here, and select the minus icon there. I'll select this. All right, you have got a pretty good selection. Just press just zoom out. Yeah, this is good. Okay, now you need to copy this layer right here. Go to edit, copy, edit, paste it right here. It creates a new layer, as you can see this layer. Now go open up your text tool. I've chose this text right here. Okay, and just type something. I'll type nature and click. You can choose the size of it. I'll just click enter, or press the tick icon right here. Hover above your move tool and place it here. And now the magic part happens. Resize it using the transformation tool. Press Ctrl T to resize it. Now just drag this layer above right here. See, you can take a look at it. The text has gone behind this fellow right here. You can, if I put it above in the layers menu, you can take a look at it. The text is above him. If you drag this below, see, magically the magic happens. The text goes behind the object which we have selected it. See, now you can add a stroke, or you can have you can even add a drop shadow. I'll just add gradient and stroke. A drop shadow really doesn't suit this. Go to effects and go to gradient overlay right here. Yeah, I've selected this one. You can select it whichever. Normal is not good. Lighten, no. Multiply was good. I'll select it on multiply itself. Where is multiply? What? I'm not getting it. Yeah, it's right here. Yeah, and I'll select blue. Always remember that light colors are the best colors. Light colors are good. I love light colors. Yeah, this is good. Just click OK. Okay. Yeah, see, it's this easy to put text behind a person or a photo in Photoshop. And you can even add a stroke or inner shadows, color overlay, outer glow, drop shadow, whatever you want. You can even add bevel and emboss to it. I think it's not good. Yeah, this is not good. I'll cancel it. You can take a look in the effects layer with the eye icon right here. See, effects. Yeah, I'll change the gradient overlay to reds. Let me check red. Nah, red is not good. Change it to normal. Blue. Yeah, blue is good. Yeah, so just play with it and give your best. No, normal itself is good. Yeah, Joe. So just start doing it. Start just pick up a photo from Unsplash and just make this right here. Okay, so in the next video we'll take a look at a different subject. So I'll see you there.